Hello everyone, I'm Scholar Gamer Nerd. If you are new to my channel, my content focuses specifically on gaming content and self-development wisdom. And today I have a problem, so I need your help. My PS4 won't start, so if you can see over here, I keep pressing the power button and it won't start. So I don't know what to do. I did some troubleshooting myself. I tried holding the power button for 30 seconds. That didn't work. I checked the power cable, specifically how it's connected to the power strip. That's all good. I checked the power cable on the back of the PS4. That's properly pressed on. I switched the power cable plug-in to a different power strip. That didn't work. Then I attempted to switch it over to this standalone plug-in. That didn't work. So I don't know what to do, and I need your help, guys. Have you ever dealt with this issue, and how did you address it? So right now I'm trying to figure out whether I should just wait it out, see if maybe it turns on tomorrow, or whether I should attempt to fix it myself somehow. I don't know how I would do that. I don't have that skill or know-how, but I'm sure I can figure it out on YouTube. Or the other option would be take it to a repair shop, and I don't know how costly that is, so I don't know. That's my point here. I don't know what to do, and I really need your help, guys, because I use this thing to play Brawlhalla. I live stream on it a lot, and I'm currently doing my Last of Us gameplay walkthrough, so I'm really bummed out about the fact that I can't really use my PS4 right now, so it's gonna really hold me back as far as my content and my streaming and gaming stuff. So hopefully, if you guys can chime in the comments, I would really appreciate that. Let me know if you've dealt with this before. That's all I have for you today. Don't forget to be a scholar first, gamer second, and a nerd always. Please help. Thank you.